I can't share the feelings I have, but I'm madly in love with this guy. Show me how you stole my heart. I want to feel that again. Are these traditional charms or just nature when things attract each other? I'm totally disappointed in a relation with a mysterious person. A relation of my own terms. A relation that he doesn't even know about. But I feel fine. I have seen my dreams unfold and fairy tale come true. When I thought of getting married to him and said, yes, I do. After endless series of trying to get close, we just bumped into one another, and automatically we started talking. I bonded with him effortlessly and went along with all I wanted to do with him. I got a perfect partner to be with when I'm lonely, talk with when I'm sad, wipe my tears when I cry. Once again, I felt loved and cared. One day, while he sat alongside, I heard him say, anyways, you have a big heart, but I have no room for it. Why? I asked. You have given me everything. It's like heaven on earth, but gave you nothing in return. And I was like, nothing? With all that you do, you say it's nothing. No, I'm pleased and feel safer than the Bank of Spain. My personality amuses you, yeah, I know that. The petty presents that I give you every time we met, the late night calls and good morning texts, but love is just more than that, Holly. I copy and paste everything I do to a couple of women out there with the same affection, the same feelings, and it never feels unreal until I surprise you like what I'm presently doing. Don't get twisted with some cheap actions, babe. And before he continues speaking, his phone rings while I have it in my hand. He picks it up and with no hesitation he answers the call. Hello, babe. And a whole affection, the conversation continues. For seconds, then minutes, and finally hours. Smiling as he always does while we speak. Damon, I was caught by surprise, rolling my eyes all over with mixed emotions that could bring tears any moment. I was so shocked, angry, disappointed, and heartbroken at the same time. I felt like bursting. It took me long to understand that I'm another victim of love that was fake. I was cheated on. I invested in the wrong business and expected to get returns. I'm now sipping bottles of hard liquid and wine just to feel better while listening to emotional music that I now understand the lyrics. This is the creation of a new monster that is gonna hurt other people's feelings carelessly in the future. But it was all caused by a lovebird that flew away with my feelings.